Hello everyone, let's do a quick glam. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a tinted illuminator for my face. Then I'm using a concealer palette from V Beauty. This is a concealer palette I'm going to use for my face. I'm going to use this concealer as my foundation. Next is highlights. Blend that first before I contour. Next is contour. Blend that in. Next, I'm using this powder palette from V Beauty as well to set my whole face. First, I'm setting the highlighted part. First, I use the concealer to highlight. That's where I'm setting first, then my whole face. I'm using the darker shade of that powder palette to contour my nose, a little bit contour. And I'm using a concealer as my shadow base. Next, I want to use a little bit of big setting powder, to set my under eye before I do my eyes so that any eyeshadow that fall on my face be easy for me to wipe it off. Next is eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from V Beauty as well. First, I'm using this nude shade on my eyelid, all over my eyelid. Just blend that then. I'm using a darker brown to blend the crease. That is all for the eyes. I'm using the eyeliner pen to line my eyes. And I'm using a black eyeliner for my waterline. Then I'm using that the same eyeshadow shade I use for my crease under my eyes. Next is mascara, then eyelash. Next is lips. I'm using this lip palette from Blossom Makeup. I'm using that red shade there for my lips. That is all, guys. A quick and easy glam. I'm changing the lips, so I'm using another lip shade, a darker lip. Which one do you prefer? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.